Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Pathfinder steering wheel. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition cylinder. Next, apply gentle pressure to the steering wheel, wiggling it slightly from side to side. While doing this, simultaneously turn your key to the ACC or on position. This common technique usually releases the locking mechanism, allowing you to start your vehicle without any further hassle. It's a simple trick that saves time and frustration. Your Nissan Pathfinder's steering wheel locks as a standard anti-theft feature, designed to deter unauthorized use. This mechanism typically engages when you remove the ignition key and then turn the steering wheel even slightly. It's a security measure, not a malfunction. Understanding this helps prevent accidental locking. To avoid it, try not to move the steering wheel after taking out the key, keeping it straight when parking. If the initial method doesn't work, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, confirm your gear selector is firmly in park or neutral, as some vehicles require this for ignition. If your primary key appears worn, try using a spare key, as a damaged key can sometimes prevent the ignition from turning. Remember to apply consistent, gentle pressure to the key while wiggling the steering wheel. Avoid forcing it, which could cause damage. While unlocking your steering wheel is usually straightforward, there are times when professional help is needed. If your key absolutely refuses to turn in the ignition, even with gentle wiggling, it might indicate a faulty ignition cylinder. Similarly, a severely worn or bent key could be the culprit, requiring replacement. If you've tried all these steps and the steering wheel remains locked, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix the underlying problem safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.